Those who have not received love crave power. जरा सोचो, इमोशनल वॉइड फुलफिल नहीं हुई है, एक इमोशनल वॉइड रह चुकी है, इसीलिए यू क्रेव पावर. एंड दिस इज, यू सी, गो बैक इनटू हिस्ट्री. Even Modi ji, even Putin Paji, even Fidel Castro, even Gandhi, Nehru, Thatcher, Hugo Chavez, you name anybody, Donald Trump. There is an emotional void. Why? What is it with strong men? There's a hole. There's a big hole. We're trying to compensate that. Same thing with bodybuilders. They want validation. The best bodybuilders in the world, Arnold Schwarzenegger said this, have had very bad relationships with their fathers. So they want to become exaggerated males to get that validation. Similar with power. He who has received a lot of love in life doesn't crave power. You see? Apply it yourself, apply it to me. Why we crave? Because there is an emotional void. Simplistically speaking, not getting into the deep knowledge, curiosity and all is not a...
क्योंकि निकोलाई टेस्ला को भी बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी था, बहुत नॉलेज था. साइंटिस्ट, नो ही इन्वेंटेड द टेस्ला कॉइल. ही इन्वेंटेड एसी करंट, अल्टरनेटिंग करंट. निकोलाई टेस्ला की देन थी. एंड थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन जिसने बल्ब्स बनाए और डीसी करंट को यूज करके. और या ऑल दीज पीपल हैड नॉलेज, डज नॉट मीन दे वांट क्रेव पावर. नो.
Who craved? Now go on to the evil guy.
Alexander, his father was a tyrant.
Alexander the Great, it starts with.
Chandragupta Maurya.
Bonaparte.
Yes.
Alexander the Great. Maurya within our own country.
Chandragupta Maurya. Samrat Ashoka himself.
Emotional void.
Emotional
You want
void.
to know the man, you go back into his childhood. In his childhood, there's been a deep-seated emotional void which has not been met with. And that is what makes these men crave power. I don't know what emotional void our Prime Minister has.
Yes.
But there's something that is driving him, no?
Yes.
At the age of to go to Siachen.
So not exactly love, but emotional void.
Emotional void.
Yes.
Emotional void can be love from a parent, from a sibling, from some kind of childhood trauma. Emotional trauma. Not physical, emotional trauma. Take for example, since we are now to be wrestling कर रहा है, fighting sport के बारे में कर रहा है, the greatest heavyweight MMA fighter of the world, Fedor Emelianenko, Russian guy, उसने एक statement दिया था कि what makes me go out and fight the way I fight is because I see poverty in my enemy, and if I don't beat him, I will return to my poverty days of the former Soviet Union.
The same thing was told by Mike Tyson. जब वो slums देखने आए थे उस टाइम पे.
हाँ, तो Mike Tyson का देखो, Mike Tyson का is a better example because he's more famous than Fedor here. तो same thing है, emotional void है, scared था, he didn't know who his father was.
50 Cent, another guy.
Tyson जीता जाता, made money, lost money, he's great. Tyson is a better example. He got a mentor in the form of Cus D'Amato, a father figure.
Okay.
You don't know about that?
नहीं, मेरे को नहीं पता.
अरे तुमको फिर कुछ नहीं मालूम है उसके बारे में.
सर कौन था ये?
टाइसन को एक गुरु मिला था, कस डोमाटो. CUS डोमाटो नाम के.
हाँ.
He saw him and he said, "You're going to be the youngest heavyweight champion of the world." Before he even started training him, you just do what I tell you to. Cus D'Amato was a white old man who was a boxer himself and a great boxing trainer who had given up on life and who accidentally came in contact with Mike Tyson. Saw this phenomenal talent and he said, he just put one look on him and he said that you're going to be heavyweight champion of the world. And there was no looking back. He became heavyweight champion of the world at the age of 18. Unfortunately, Cus D'Amato was not able to live to see that moment.
तो रॉकी के अंदर जो माइकी था वो शायद
It's loosely based on Cus D'Amato.
Cus D'Amato.
Yeah. Same, a white guy. इसने गोद लिया था Mike Tyson को when Mike Tyson went to juvenile prison and they saw his fighting ability because he was a young boy who used to take on boys twice his age. He was a born fighter. He was fearless. So उसको देख के he said that you're going to be the heavyweight champion of the world, and you got to watch yourself because the way you fight is the way you're going to live your life. ये Kastamado ने बोला. The way you fight, you watch because that's exactly the way you're going to lead your life, and that's what he did. He led his life. He was a fucking grenade, self-destructive हुआ. पैसा कमाया, गवाया, भी वापस कमबैक कर रहा है ना फाइटिंग का वो.
Yes. He is the only guy at this age जिसको पार्किंसन डिजीज या कोई दूसरा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इसका भेजे को इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ है. अदरवाइज ब्रेन डैमेज, ज्यादातर लोगों को ब्रेन डैमेज होता है. या
पिचुरी भी मैन्युफैक्चर.
यस. तो या आई थिंक यस.
तो टाइसन ने ये कहा था कि एडवर्सिटी स्ट्रॉन्ग को स्ट्रॉन्गर करता है और वीक को वीकर करता है. इफ यू आर स्ट्रॉन्ग इट विल मेक यू स्ट्रॉन्गर. इफ यू आर वीक इट विल मेक यू वीकर. इट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट टीचर एडवर्सिटी. सक्सेस इज अ लाउजी टीचर. दर्द की इच्छा रखो. दर्द जगाता है, तकलीफ दो, उससे ज्यादा सिखाता है. वो बुरा समय ज्यादा सिखा के जाता है. अच्छा समय में कोई नहीं सीखता.